ночи, на стене тень свечи. Это блюз.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Dennis, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I'm gonna do react again to one of my favorite singer from Russia. What's up, Russia? Yeah, no other than Miss Diana Ankudinova. Yeah, she wearing a blue from this video, and I love blue, guys. I think this video was filming in 2017. Yeah, so guys, before we proceed to our topic, I'm honestly telling you that I'm not a professional and perfect reactionist, but I can do my best for you guys. So please respect everyone. So before we start, guys, always don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I love blue color. I love this girl. Блюз. Yeah. Списано на title. На стене тень свечи. Это блюз, блюз для меня. Блюз для тебя. Это блюз в ритме дождя. В ритме дождя. Yeah. I love it. I love this girl. Wow. Yeah. Bravo, 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 bravo. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Diana Ankudinova. You're very cute performance from this blue video. Yeah, so that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed our reacted video today from Miss Diana Ankudinova. If you enjoyed guys, please comment down below and suggest our next video reacting from Miss Diana Ankudinova. So before I go guys, always don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching, my loving viewers. I love you. Bye bye.